Looks like a fish tank.
These are the Enbrighten Eternity lights, guaranteed for life. They're Wi-Fi connected, so let's see.
They come at 50 and 100 for length. This is what they look like up close. They got a nice quality plastic. It seems really hard. And then that is the snapping mechanism. The lights are 16.5 inches apart from themselves. Lights can be connected together, multiple strands, up to 200 feet. Oh, so that's what they look like when they're apart, and you put them together, screw them. I just ordered another box, but you don't want it to look stupid. Cable that would go down to the power box, to the things that you screw into the house, and then the lights clip in. Cool, I hope I can get it off. Maybe not. Yeah, you can get them off again. Cool. It's the actual Wi-Fi connector. Cord management pieces. Holds the cords in between the light. There's the tiny screws. Instruction manual. And the big guy. We're actually gonna have my dude put a power outlet in the attic, because I don't know, OCD maybe. But you obviously can have it on your porch outlet. The Wi-Fi connects to this, which also connects to your first strand of lights. You have an app to control all of it. The lights can change any color in any order, and I really can't wait to set them up. I'll do a follow-up video after they're up. I have a manual control where you can just press the button to scroll through different colors. You just hit the pairing button. Oh my god, they change colors inside themselves individually. The whole box is looking like it's on fire. Super bright. Those are my favorite. So you cut the strands and you want them to end. You can't put them back together. No kidding. It's a 20-foot lead wire, then the power supply with an 18-inch power cord. There's a 10-foot extension cable, and you can scan this code. If you want to see how it works, I'll let you do a screenshot right there. It's the Enbrighten app. These are very promising. Beautiful RGB white color changing. All weather. They're dimmable. I love that. This is what we use. So I'm like at nighttime, hey Google, turn off all the lights. Hey Google, turn on the lights rainbow, please. We got them because I want obviously Christmas lights, but right now I want them for Halloween so that I don't go and buy stupid tacky other decor. These will be perfect for all the holidays. Red, white, blue, green, and orange for St. Patrick's Day. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be lazy and just put everything in the same box because who needs it?